topic is importance of Pakistan's foreign policy. There are some points that indicates the importance of the foreign policy of Pakistan. I will discuss one by one. Number one, the second largest Muslim country in terms of population. In terms of population, I repeat it. In terms of population, Pakistan is the second largest Muslim country in terms of population. I am discussing the first point. So Pakistan is the second largest Muslim country, and at number one, Indonesia. Then comes Pakistan. So Pakistan is 45th largest nominal GDP, Grand Domestic Product. Gross domestic product. Pakistan is at 45th largest nominal gross domestic product. Nuclear power, we all know that Pakistan has attained the nuclear status, nuclear weapons in 1988 at Chawi. So geostrategic location, it has its own geostrategic borders. It has its borders location. It shares borders with 4 countries, and it is 25th largest purchasing power. Defense budget is $6.98 billion, and role in international politics. Pakistan has played a vital role in international politics and still playing. So these are some points that indicates the importance of foreign policy of Pakistan, that approves Pakistan's status internationally, with some status like the second largest Muslim country, and Pakistan is at 45th number as largest nominal, the gross domestic product, and Pakistan is also nuclear power. It achieved this status in 1998 at Chawi. It has geostrategic location, 25th largest purchasing power. Defense budget is $6.98 billion. It means on its army, on its defense, for the protection of the country, the borders of the country, it spends $6.98 billion. And Pakistan also takes part in international politics at international level, through which it fulfills